We want to solve this JAMB 2029 question. The question says, if 55 base x plus 52 base x equals 77 base 10, find s. This question is a question under number base. It is equation question under number base. How do we solve this question? We convert all of them to the same base. This number is already in base 10. So what we need to do is convert this 55 base x to base 10, convert this 52 base x to base 10, so that we can have everything in base 10. Let us solve the question. So how do we convert to base 10? We have 55 base x will be equals to, this will carry power of 0, this will carry power of 1. We now have 5 times x raised to the power of what? 1 plus 5 times x, 5 times x, okay, raised to the power of what now? Is 0. This will give us 5. X raised to the power 1 is x. So we have x here plus 5 times x raised to the power 0 is 1. So we have our 1 here. This one becomes 5x plus 5. Let us go for this one too. 52 base x to base 10 will be equals to, this will carry power of what? Power of 0. This will carry power of what now? Power of 1. We now have 5 times x raised to the power of what? 1 plus 2 times x raised to the power of what here is 0. This will become 5x plus, we've done something similar here. X raised to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. 1 times 2 give us what now? 2. So it means now substitute this one back into this place, substitute this one back into this place. We'll be having 5x plus 5 plus 5x plus 2 equals to 77. 5x plus 5x will give us 10x. 5 plus 2 will be 7 equals to 77. This one will come to this place by collecting like times. We now have 10x is equals to 77 minus 7. 10x, okay, will give us 77 minus 7 is 70. We now divide through by 10. So we have 10x by 10 will be equals to 70 by 10. So our s will give us what now? 7. So the correct answer, x is 7. Okay. Now solve this question and put your answer in the comment section. Okay. So solve 33 base x plus 44 base x equals to 70. Put your answer in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God bless you.